We are living in a world where machines have surpassed the very best of us, outperforming champions in chess, defeating world-class poker players, and even mastering complex games like Go. And it's not just winning games. It's infiltrating industries, transforming workplaces, and altering the job landscape. Experts predict that your job could be next. So how did we get here? AI is the field of computer science that studies and creates machines and software that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, decision-making, and perception. AI has evolved rapidly in the past decades, from simple rule-based systems to complex deep neural networks that can process huge amounts of data and learn from their own experiences. Connectionism, or neuron-like computing, emerged in 1943 as a way to understand the human brain's neural function, particularly learning and memory. Neurophysiologist Warren McCulloch and mathematician Walter Pitts published a treatise on neural nets and automatons, claiming that each neuron in the brain is a digital processor, and the brain as a whole is a computing machine. In 1952, mathematician Claude Shannon built a robotic maze-solving mouse called THESEUS, which learned its path through a trial-and-error process using telephone relay switches. The mouse was able to navigate the maze using an electromagnet mounted on a motor-powered carriage. Claude Shannon's THESEUS laid the groundwork for future research and developments in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence.
This perceptron is being trained to recognize the difference between males and females. It is something that all of us can do easily, but few of us can explain how. To get a computer to do this would involve working out many complex rules about faces and writing a computer program. But this perceptron was simply given lots and lots of examples and is able to successfully distinguish male from female.
The IBM SHOEBOX was an early speech recognition device that could understand 16 words. It was made by William C. Dersch in 1961 at an IBM lab in California.
The machine has understood my voice and caused the adding machine to correctly perform these arithmetical operations.
Joseph Weizenbaum pioneered ELIZA, a computer program for automated conversational systems. Using pattern matching, ELIZA simulated human-like conversations, marking an early milestone in chatbot technology. Inspired by Rogerian psychotherapy, the program engaged users with contextually appropriate responses. Utilizing natural language processing techniques of its time, ELIZA showcased a promising potential for language-based computing applications. Shakey the robot was the first general-purpose mobile robot capable of autonomous reasoning. It could analyze complex commands and break them down into manageable steps. Combining robotics, computer vision, and natural language processing, Shakey was equipped with an antenna for a radio link, sonar range finders, a television camera, onboard processors, and collision detection sensors, known as bump detectors. Notable results include the A-star search algorithm, the How transform, and the visibility graph method.
We have designed a system which can recognize handwritten numerals. Let's draw a numeral 2 on the tablet.
From the analysis of the stimulus features, the input pattern is recognized as 2.
NETTALK, developed by Terence Sanofsky. It's a program that learns to pronounce written English text. It does this by being shown text as input and then comparing it to phonetic transcriptions. The network was trained on a huge amount of English words and their corresponding pronunciations. And it's able to generate pronunciations for new words with a high level of accuracy.
I like to go to my grandmother's house.
TD-GAMMON, developed by Gerald Tesoro, has redefined how machines learn to play backgammon. It achieved a level of play comparable to world-class human players. The AI was designed to improve its performance through self-play, gradually refining its strategies and decision-making abilities. TD-GAMMON employs temporal difference learning, a technique that allows the system to learn from delayed rewards. This approach enables the AI to evaluate the consequences of its actions and adjust its strategies accordingly, mimicking the way humans learn from experience. COG, the robot, was developed from 1993 to 2003. It had a multi-jointed body with cameras for vision and microphones for sensing. COG's interactions highlighted the role of sensory feedback and physical experiences in cognitive growth. As humanoid robots advance and integrate into society, the COG project prompts ethical questions about robot rights, responsibilities, and job market impacts. Deep Blue, an AI-powered computer chess program, defeated the reigning world chess champion, Garry Kasparov, demonstrating the power of AI in complex strategic games. KISMET was a social robot developed by Dr. Cynthia Breeziel at MIT. She also contributed to the development of COG. KISMET was designed to engage with humans in a more emotionally expressive manner, aiming to mimic specific emotional and social behaviors. It had the ability to track faces, recognize emotions through facial expressions and vocal intonations, and respond with its own array of facial expressions and sounds. During the AI winter in the early 1990s, Rodney Brooks authored the article, "Elephants Don't Play Chess," which triggered a paradigm shift in the field of AI. He challenged prevailing AI approaches, advocating for behavior-based robotics over rule-based systems. He was involved in the development of COG, his company iRobot collaborating with DARPA, and played a significant role in designing military robots and contributed to the advancement of swarm intelligence, a concept involving the coordination of large groups of simple robots to accomplish complex tasks through collective behavior. In 2002, iRobot introduced the ROOMBA, a vacuum cleaner robot. The success of ROOMBA underscored the practicality of robotics in everyday life, revolutionizing household chores. IBM Watson is a computer system developed to answer questions on the quiz show Jeopardy! In 2011, it won first prize against human champions. Moreover, IBM Watson has demonstrated success in detecting rare forms of leukemia in patients. DeepMind was founded in 2010 with the goal of creating a general-purpose AI capable of being useful across various applications. In contrast to Deep Blue or Watson, which were developed for specific tasks, DeepMind systems are not pre-programmed. They learn from experience using raw pixel data as input. AlphaGo required months to learn how to play Go, but in 2016, it defeated the world champion Go player. Go is considerably more challenging for computers to master due to its vast number of possibilities, unlike games like chess. In 2017, its successor, AlphaGo Zero, surpassed its predecessor's capabilities after just 3 days of learning with less processing power. In 2018, researchers trained a system to play Quake 3 Arena, a popular first-person shooter game. By 2019, AlphaStar had achieved a Grandmaster level in StarCraft II, a game demanding strategic thinking and management of imperfect information. In 2020, DeepMind made significant strides in protein folding using AlphaFold. This breakthrough accurately predicts protein structures, aiding scientists in developing improved drugs and gaining a deeper understanding of complex biological processes. Notably, a new drug designed with the help of AlphaFold is currently undergoing testing for the treatment of liver cancer. As we reflect on the advancements of artificial intelligence, it's clear that humanity has undergone a tremendous evolution in the last 70 years. Machines have surpassed our physical capabilities, and algorithms have begun to rival our cognitive abilities. We're on a path towards unprecedented achievements, driven by the relentless pursuit of knowledge and the desire to overcome our limitations. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at where this journey might lead. This is a beginner channel, so subscribing and commenting would be very helpful. Your support means a lot. Thank you for watching.